Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to add captions to your videos in Canva. It's super simple and takes just a minute. Let's jump in. First, open Canva and upload your video. Drag it onto your canvas and adjust it to fit. Next, go to the Text tab on the left, click Captions, and select your video. Now, hit Generate Captions, wait a few seconds, about 40 or so, and there you go, your captions are ready. Want to customize them? Adjust the text size to your liking, then head to Effects. I'm setting transparency to 100% for a clean look, but you can choose what works for you. Pick a text color that pops, I'll go with white. After that, click Animate. You've got 3 fun options: Reveal, Highlight, or Snake. I'm picking Highlight for this video and choosing a bright fill color to make the text stand out. And that's it, your video looks polished and professional. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm diving into an essential Canva skill: how to remove backgrounds from your images, comparing the free version with the pro version. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, I'd love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.